Hi guys, I'm just making a quick tour of my yard that I'm working on. This makes me feel relaxed, so bear with me. Look, those are string beans. This is it's kind of berry, raspberry, I think. Raspberry. I am actually looking for some cucumbers to pop out, but I don't know what happened. I don't see any sprout yet. $3 pa naman yun ang isang packet. Anyway, ito po ay mga blackberries. I love blackberries and I have plenty of them. I also love grapes. Maliliit lang siya, but this one I am trying to redo it. Bear with me. It will take a little time, but I have plants, a very beautiful plant. Ako lang naman gumagawa. Minsan may tumutulong, pero pag galit yung tumutulong, galit na rin ako. Ayoko na rin patulong. So, ito po ang aayusin natin. Well, ako lang pala. Madali lang to. I don't see it as a burden. Kaya ko to. Ganda sana nun. Pero gagawa na lang ako ng maliit na kamalig dito. Nagtatrabaho kasi ako ng sunod-sunod na 12-hour shift. Kasi ay naman. Kurokay. Ay naman, masyado naman itong maarte. Maarte yan si Kurokay. Ano yan, maulyas. Ayan. Ito, susunugin natin yan para malinis. Ano pa lang naman ngayon, June. July pa naman ang summer namin dito. So hopefully, I just don't want to work under the sun kasi masyadong mainit para sa balat ko. Galitan lang ako ng aking dermatologist. Mukhang barong-barong siya. Pero matibay yan. I am so proud that I was able to raise a lot of chickens in this kind of environment, and they produced me a lot of eggs also in this kind of environment. So somehow I am doing something right, but I know it's not looking right. Anyway, it's almost 10:30, so I will let the sun kind of pass a little bit. I don't wanna work under the sun kasi masyadong mainit. Ito, imo ko pa. Kailangan kasing imo bago siya tumaas para hindi mag-i-stop yung mower. Pag masyado nang mataas yung damo, nag-i-stop na yung mower. And it's annoying for me to deal with that. Mas madali yung dire-diretso ka lang, parang nag-glide lang siya pag hindi masyadong mataas ang mga grasses. So ayan, inalis ko na. Mga morning and lang ako, dawn nagtatrabaho. Nagtatrabaho ako until 7, not until 7, but until 9 p.m. if I need to finish something. Madali lang to. Gagawin ko tong maganda. Pretty for me. Pretty like me. Pretty like me. Ito, perennial flower. Bumalik siya. Hindi siya na ng winter. Maganda ang bulaklak niyan, pink.